If you're a Spark driver, you like to do shopping and delivery, but every time you finish shopping for your customer, there is a message always pop up in your screen say you've been selected for a cart check. In this video today, I want to show you 3 reasons why this message pop up in your screen. The first reason this message pop up in your screen, when it comes to shopping and delivery, there is a timer. If you exceed the timer, they put you in a cart check. Okay, so that means soon as you finish scanning the QR code, you will see this message pop up in your screen, and a Walmart associate gonna come and scan a couple of your items in your cart. To avoid this message to appear in your screen, there's something you can do. When you receive a shopping and delivery, don't spend too much time looking for one item. So many people hate shopping and delivery because this reason, searching the same item for 10 minutes. You can't do that. This is time. You're wasting time. You lose money. If you're looking for item for 2 minutes, you can find it. You just click can find item. If there is any substitution, you just add it for the customer. This is how you're supposed to do it. But if you're gonna look for one item for 10-15 minutes, I'm telling you, you're wasting your time and you're losing money. And this message will be pop up at the end soon as you finish scanning the QR code. The second reason why you're gonna see this message pop up in your screen, if you buy any electronic stuff. In Walmart, they really pay attention about electronic stuff. It doesn't matter how much it costs. Based of my experience, every time I bought an electronic more than $50 at the end, I always required a cart check. And I don't know if the same thing for you. I would like to know more. If this happened to you often, just let me know in the comment section how much money you think you have to spend to require a cart check. And the last reason why you require a cart check, when you get to the Walmart, there's some item the customer required you to buy, but for some reason this item out of stock. They don't have it anymore, and the app give you option to do a substitution, so to get the similar item. But sometimes those items become too much expensive for the customer. When the customer think it was spending $50 and you see he is required to pay $70, is end up rejected those items. Just to make sure you put this item in the shelf bag, the app put you in a cart check. So don't worry, every time you see this is you're not active, just let the Walmart associate do his job, because one of the Walmart associate gonna come and check to see if you got everything, and you will be in your way. Just let do them job. So if you have any question, like I always say, leave your question in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.